Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to remove GitHub previous commits. First, create a project. Create simple HTML file. Now run it. Then open terminal. Then start git init and git add. Then you need to create GitHub repository. Go to GitHub and create repository. Now copy these codes. It's not copied. Copy again. Paste into the terminal. All four commands can run in one time. And now these files push to GitHub. Here, that's you can see files. This is first commit, second commit, then push it again to GitHub. Now you can see second commit in the GitHub file updated. Now there is two commits. Again try add one more commit and push it to GitHub again. Now you can see that commit in the GitHub. Now I don't want to third and second commits. I only want first commit. You can do this in terminal by using these commands. First, identify what commits do you want to delete. I want to third and second commits. This is third commit, second commit. I want to keep first commit. You copy second commit ID. You need to copy and okay, it's called commit ID or commit hash. Copy this hash and replace with this part git rebase -i and space and hash. Then paste into terminal, hit enter. Now you need to change pick word to drop word, or you can easily add d or drop. I'm using vim and import command is escape and enter the insert mode. Then you can change pick to drop. If you use in nano, there is other method. Press escape key, delete pick word and enter insert button and add do drop word and do same thing to second commit. Then again press escape key, escape from insert mode, type :w and q and then hit enter. Now it's done. All commits still there in the GitHub. Now try this command: git push origin branch name and pause. This branch name part you need to change as this. This is my main branch. You can put any branch name. To terminal and enter. Now all done. You can see third and second commits gone from GitHub. Only one commit left. This is the best and easy method to delete GitHub previous commits, because you accidentally put API key or .ini file or any package file to GitHub. Git Guardian take it and warn it, but you can't remove directly previous version of commit. Now I put all this command in my GitHub repository You can copy and paste all commands if you want. Now you can come to my GitHub page and come to this repository. You can get these codes and you can put star for this repository. If you are helpful this video, put like and subscribe.